I just found this amazing tool for AI influencers that is currently 100% free. Not only can it do face swaps, but it also offers image upscaling, image resizing, and watermark removal, all for free at the current moment. Let's get started. And don't forget to like the video, it's free as well. So this 100% free tool for face swapping is called AIEase, but it's not just face swapping that you can do with it. It's perfect for general photo editing with AI. Let me show you. So search for AIEase in a new tab. The link is in the description. Click on it, and as usual, you'll see this interface. Right from the start, you can tell it's specifically for photo editing and image enhancement with AI, and there are a lot of tools here. Here you can see there's an AI head generator for your AI influencers, a passport maker, and an AI image enlarger, which is essentially upscaling. There's also a photo enhancer, which functions similarly to upscaling, and photo restoration for colorizing black and white photos. There's also a background remover. And though you can't see it here, there's an AI face swap feature, and all of these are free. So you can just scroll down to take a look at what each tool does. But let's log in to do that. Click on any tool, like Remove BG. Then head over here and click on Login. As always, I'll use my Gmail account. Once that's done, we can go ahead and use it. You can, of course, upload your own photo to remove its background, but they've provided some sample photos we can try. So I'll use them, and it has successfully removed the background. Now, let's try uploading our own photo. Click on Add, then select any photo or image. And as you can see, it's done a fantastic job. Now, let's try using the erase feature. So I'll go ahead and import something a bit more complex like this. Wait for it to process. It's done, so just click on it. And even though it was a bit more complex, it still did a fantastic job. Now go over here and click on background. You can select a new background. This one looks great. There are a lot of libraries and stock images here, or we can choose to upload our own. You can also select a specific color if you want, and you can go over it, erase, and simply paint around the areas you don't want. It will automatically and completely remove it. If you make a mistake, you can reset it. Click on it again, and you can adjust the brush size. When you're done, you can download it. Make sure to choose the Download A11 option for images without a background. Now let's try out another free AI tool. Over here, go to AI Object Remover. They have some presets here, so I'll just click on this. Now with the correct brush size, simply paint over the area you want to remove, then click Remove. It's done, and it's as if it was never even there. You can also select the rectangle tool instead of the brush, which can be easier. And once again, it's done a great job. Now, this is perfect for images with watermark up. Now, let's try another AI tool. Click on Image Enlarger. Simply upload any image. Now you can select the scale to increase your image size. Let's go for 4x and click on Start. It's done, and as you can see, the difference is clear. I tried it with another image, and as you can see, it looks significantly better. Now once again, download it. Finally, let's try the face swap feature. Upload the face you want to use. Maybe this face. Then, upload the target. Maybe this one. Then click on Swap Face. As you can see, it has successfully swapped the faces. You can also try a higher resolution image with this. Here I chose another face, then click Swap Face. It's done, and once again it has done a fantastic job. And yes, it's 100% free and you can always download it. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content like this.